Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my flavor is bold and exciting, unlike my mother-in-law's meatloaf, which is more like a loaf of hope. Today we're going to make cheesesteak tortellini. We're going to start with thinly slicing 1 pound of beef sirloin. Now we're going to slice a green bell pepper. Well, it's time to slice the onion. Two cloves of garlic, minced. We're going to bring a pot of water to boil. And always remember, salt your water when you're cooking pasta. Now that our water is heated up, we're going to add 20 ounces of frozen tortellini. We're going to cook the tortellini until they're nice and tender. Now that the tortellini are done, we're going to turn off the heat, drain, and set aside. To a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. When the pan's good and hot, add your thinly sliced beef. And we're going to cook until it's brown. Now that the meat's done, we're going to turn off the heat. We're going to take it out of the pan and set it aside. Now we're going to put the pan back on medium heat. We're going to add the minced garlic, the diced up onion, and the diced bell pepper. We're going to cook them until they're soft. Now that everything's soft, we're going to set it aside. And now, to a separate pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt it down. Now that the butter's melted down, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're going to whisk the flour and the butter together. Continuously whisking for that whole minute. Now that the minute's over, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. We're going to add it gradually. And stirring as we add. Once all the milk is added, we're going to stir constantly until it's thick. Now that the milk is thickened, we're going to add in 1½ cups of shredded provolone and a ½ cup of shredded Parmesan. And we're going to stir this until the cheeses are nice and melted and smooth. Now that it's nice and smooth, we're going to season with salt and black pepper. Mix it in. Now the cheese sauce is done, we're going to put our steak back in, our onions, bell peppers, and garlic. And now the tortellini. Now we're going to mix her all up. Now it's time to turn off the heat, and it's time to eat. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's very good. We're going to have to make this a weekly staple. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.